Today we start a journey, a porcine journey. Pig! These 6 little beauties are Christmas pork in the making. Oh bless. Hello pig pig. Hello pig pig. Hello pig pig. So we're going to watch these as they fatten up. I mean, it is a bit grim maybe for some of you, but this is the fact of life. Beautiful. Go on.
1 week later.
So we're all aware of that famous old saying, mighty oaks grow from little acorns. But what they don't tell you is that from little acorns grows pig, pig, pig. Meaty pigs. Go on. Like strawberries to a donkey. As greedy as a pig. So I'm on my way to see the Piggies. Obviously winding through the countryside, you get a lot of, especially round here, random apple trees on the side of the road, or the odd abandoned orchard. I know it sounds mad, but there is quite a few round here that just are left. Obviously the trees are all raggedy, but they still fruit. So I'm looking to pick up some windfalls, obviously acorns, all these lovely oak trees we're going under now, and I'm just going to pick up a few bits and bobs just as like a little treat, you know, like you buy sweets for your kid after school. So let's see what we can find. Now I know there's an apple tree down here on the left hand side somewhere. I mean, another mile down the road it's proper apple growing country for Bulmer's cider. Where's that old apple tree? I mean, there's nothing worse than seeing apples trod into the dirt or being run over by cars, when those 6 little piggies will go mad for it. Because you know, apples is crack to pigs. There you go, look, can you see it on the left? Oh, it's going to park up, see what we got. You can see just one random apple tree, look, and down there, look at that, free pig fodder, pig crack, man. So there's not much better you can give a pig than apples and acorns, and when they're free it's a win-win. Look at that. Oh, you bastard. So this is one of my favourite places in the country, down this lane. We are now flanked left and right by orchards growing apples for Bulmer's cider. It's just a beautiful place. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm an old hippie, but there's just something cool about the orchard. Obviously I'd never take from these orchards, but what I'd give to turn the pigs out for a couple of weeks. Let me show you what I mean. It's just a dreamy place. That red against that sky, stunning. So we've even got hops growing wild in the hedgerows. Just look at those beautiful hops on that hop vine there, just in the hedge. It's a brewer's dream, man. Pig, look what we got for you.
Get bottling, pigs.
They're going to love this. Bit of apple, bit of acorn in it.
I love it. I like that black one.
Yeah, I know I do. Yeah, he's obviously the stronger one, isn't he?
Yeah, some good lambs to him.
Yeah.
Ready for Christmas?
Yes. How'd you like them apples then? Beautiful piggies. Hello.